sugar is needed for cellular respiration. All animals get the energy that they need using cellular respiration and glucose. The next part of cellular respiration was discovered by Hans Krebs, hence its name, the Krebs cycle.
Begins, the pyruvic acid, which is these tomatoes, goes into the matrix. Once inside the matrix, one carbon atom from pyruvic acid becomes part of a molecule of another carbon dioxide atom, so it is gone. And then an enzyme called coenzyme A joins this. So just imagine enzyme joining this, and then it becomes actyl-CoA. And then as the Krebs cycle advances, actyl-CoA adds the 2-carbon actyl group to a 4-carbon actyl group already present in the cycle, producing a 6-carbon molecule called citric acid. Through a series of mini reactions, citric acid is broken down first into a 5-carbon compound and then into a 4-carbon compound. And this releases 2 CO2 molecules into the air. This 4-carbon compound can go back and repeat the cycle again, because remember from before, the actyl-CoA had to join a 4-carbon molecule that was already present. And all the breaking of the carbon makes energy, and the energy is captured in the form of ATP, NADH, and FADH2.
During ATP production, H+ ions pass back across the mitochondrial membrane through ATP synthase, causing the base of the synthase molecule to rotate. With each rotation driven by the movement of an H+ ion, ATP synthase generates ATP from ADP. In this part of the electron transport chain, it uses high-energy electrons transported by the carrier molecules, NADH, from both the Krebs cycle and glycolysis.
Fermentation takes place right after glycolysis. In alcoholic fermentation, pyruvic acid produced by glycolysis is converted into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Another path that fermentation could happen is going to lactic acid. During lactic acid fermentation, pyruvic acid converts into lactic acid, which is used in many things like cheese.
The energy from cellular respiration can be used in long-term or short-term. Short-term can be used at any time in quick situations, like if you're attacked by a bear. Oh no!
Long-term energy can be used for longer energy things, of course. Like if you're running a marathon. We were gonna run a marathon, but we're too lazy, so here's a video of a guy running a marathon.
Close the gap. It came down to a race between 3 athletes, 2 from Kenya, 1 from Uganda.